All right, so today we're going to be comparing and contrasting two similar vehicles on the Byrider Madison lot. On the left we have the 2014 Nissan Versa Note in blue. On the right we have the 2012 Honda Fit in blaze orange. So if you just take a look at both these vehicles, both of them are what they would call compact hatchbacks. You know, give you space for get good gas mileage, but give you space in the inside to, you know, put your stuff. Just take a look right here on the inside for the Nissan Versa Note. You know, it's kind of your plain Jane car. It's got manual windows, manual locks, just stuff you don't have to worry about going. Take a look over on the Honda Fit. You know, same stuff. It's got a good, nice seating position, room for everything on the inside. Here's what the Versa Note doesn't have, though. Little cup holder right by your fan. Keep the beverage cold. So hope that was educational, guys. I hope you got a good look at both these vehicles. Any questions, give me a call. My name is Alex. Byrider Madison, 608-663-1213.